Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. If you're new, welcome, and remember to subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends. If you like to see how I created this makeup look for today, keep on watching. I get excited when I do these things because it's my me moment. It's like another form of self-care. When I get ready for the day and I put makeup on, it just makes me feel much better as opposed to just being with no makeup. Of course, I do my no makeup days, but I love my makeup. Okay, let's take my glasses off. I already moisturized my skin with, of course, La Roche-Posay. I do want to switch to another moisturizer eventually. Okay, so this video, I want it to be about all the makeup that I haven't pulled out. It's a little bit of a high-end and drugstore mixed up together. I'm gonna prime my face. I'm using the last bit of this Smashbox little sample thingy. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, oil free. Okay, so I'm gonna toss that. That's done. And the foundation that I pulled out today that I wanted to use, it's the Huda Beauty Tres Leches. I haven't used this one in a while, and yeah, it's brand new pretty much. From what I remember, this foundation was a bit thick. Oh my god, it's dark. It's dark. It's on the thick side, and I remember feeling very like it's heavy. But let's try it. Let's give it another go. Check it out. It's pretty dark. It's like, I don't know. Oh my god, it looks yellow. Okay, take two. I wiped off what I could. I remembered I had ordered two because I didn't know what shade I was, and I was like, I could just contour with one if it's dark, and then the lighter one, I would just use that. And so my shade is Baklava. Baklava. This is my shade. Okay. So, and check it out, like I've used it. Oh my god. I think on one of my first videos I used this foundation, but let's do it. I wipe what I cut off my face. Okay, yeah, that looks kind of better. See, like this. And I'm going to pick up a different brush because I messed that one up. Okay, the brush I'm going to do it with, it's this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And if you hear any noises, Lily's right next to me. Yeah, this is way better. The other one was so dark. This one's a little bit on the yellow side. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so check it out. What do you guys think? Do I look yellow? I feel like I look yellow, like a jack-o'-lantern, like a pumpkin or something. Like orangey yellow. I don't know. I just feel like it looks yellow. Anyways, this is the foundation I felt like worked for me at the time. Now looking back, it's like, dude, why didn't you go back and get a different one? And this foundation kind of reminds me, it kind of feels a little bit like the MAC. It's like on the heavy side, and then my pores, I don't know, like my texture skin is a little more defined with this foundation. But let's move on. I don't mind it at all. Okay, so the concealer I'm going to be going in today with, it's going to be the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Yeah, baby. And Lily over here wants me to conversate with her. She straight up said, Mommy, can you talk to me? Huh, Lily? Hold on, baby. So I'm gonna dab it like this, and I'm gonna pick up a brush. I'm pulling out this Sonia Kashuk number 121, and it's pointy. I'm gonna use that for my eyelids. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier brightening under eye powder thingy, and I'm gonna use a brush this time. I know it's kind of crazy with the brush because sometimes it picks up more than you want, but I'm gonna make this spread out evenly like this. And I'm gonna pack it more here because I wear glasses and sometimes it leaves indentations or it leaves the line of the frame of the glasses. So I really pack on. I've been packing on more powder in this area here. Okay, and of course I have my little cafecito going on over here. Cheers to everybody. I just did my brows and let's get started with the eyes. Okay, so the palette I decided to go with today is the Huda Beauty Nude. I really like this palette. I like all the pinks and I love it. I've always liked it. So let's do it. I'm gonna create a nice pinky purple look, a very vibrant, glittery. That's what I have in mind. So let's see how this comes out. And I'm just picking a brush here. This one is the tapered brush by Eco Tools. And I'm gonna go in with a soft, this one called Teddy. It's like a soft, I don't know, it's not brown, it's like a, I don't know, like a light, really light pinky brown. I don't know how to explain this color. It's really beautiful. This palette, complements all kinds of skin tones. I was supposed to do my nails yesterday. I was like, I've been wanting my nails, but I've been letting them I've been giving them a break because they've been getting. It's because the way I pull them off, I think that's has a lot to do with it. But they've been getting really thin and brittle. So I'm like, okay, let me let them grow. Let me let them heal, do their thing, and then I'll do my nails again. Also, the reason why I didn't do my nails is because I was craving pozole. I was craving pozole and I ended up doing that. And I'm like, yeah, there's no time for nails today. And making pozole is quite a process. And I have it right now in the pot reheating again because yeah, I'm going in for seconds. I made it last night and oh my god, it came out so perfect. Okay, there goes my first application for my eyeshadow. So the next color I want to get is Spank. This one right here. It's like a darker pink purple. They're all like really nice colors. They're like pinky purple colors. So I'm gonna focus that one on the outer part first, and then I'm gonna make my way in, but I'm gonna swirl it, like give it time to show off and then pull it in. And I'm very softly, like pretty much swirling it softly on my lids. It's like a little bit past my brow, but it's okay. That's Lily. Lily, you're so cute. I'm gonna pick up with my smudge brush that color Spanked right here, the one in the corner, this one. I'm gonna pick that up. That's the last one I used on the corner of my eye. So I'm gonna focus this color right here and just kind of smoke it out as I go. smoke it out and drag it down to my inner part, like right here. And I always have to keep in mind I'm wearing glasses, so I want this to show, you know? So I might be doing a little bit more intense than the norm, but because I want it to stand out, I want people to see it. So that's my goal when I do my makeup right now. It's for it to be a little more intense than the norm. So now I'm going to pick up a small fluffy brush like this one. This one is called Essential Crease Brush by Real Techniques. Okay, so I'm going to pick up a darker one. So the darkest one in this palette is called Love Bite, and it's this one right here. The second one from the corner. Okay, so I'm going to pick that up with my little brush, and I'm just going to pack it out here. Just stamp it, stamp it, stamp it. And then I'm gonna work it in, swirl it, and connect it to this right here on the top. And I'm gonna go high, like close to my brow, but not quite. You can always like flick it up. Okay, so I picked up that dark color that I just placed on the top. I'm gonna put it on the bottom with my smudge brush right here. Just right there. Now that I got everything smoked out and ready to go, I'm gonna pick up this pink right here. Is called Infatuated. I've been wanting to use this one and I have, and it's really, really good. It's intense. So I'm gonna pick that up with my finger and I'm just gonna look at that. It looks so cool. What do you guys think? I'm ready for date night, people. Date night. I like how this goes really smoothly with your finger. Like you could just use your finger. You don't need the brush much. Reason why I like putting glitter with my finger mostly is because you have more control on where you're placing the glitter, and I just love it. What do you guys think? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get a tiny little shading brush. Look how small it is. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up Crave, this shade right here with the tiny little brush, because it's a kind of like, it gives it like a, it has like a champagne look, and I wanted it for the inner corner right here. Okay, and for mascara, I pulled out this Rimmel London Wonder Looks Volume. Volume. What am I talking about? And I'm gonna be using that on my lashes. I don't curl them. I just don't. There's some times that I do it, but I don't usually do it. Like in real life, I don't do it, so I'm just not. Okay, I just did my lashes, and the lashes I decided to go with today are the Kiss Jubilee, these right here. Hopefully you guys can see them. And I think they just deserved lashes. The look wasn't complete without lashes, and I can't wait to see how they look with my glasses on, but let's go. Okay, so for contour, I'm going to contour a little bit. I'm going to pull out this oldie but goodie palette. I haven't used this palette in a really, really long time. It's the Kat Von D Shade and Light. And look, long gone. I'm going to pull this angled complexion brush right here. And I'm going to use these two. Let me show you. I'm going to use this one and this one. I shouldn't even use that much. Here, I'm going to use the middle one because the foundation I have is a little bit on the yellow dark side or whatever. So I'm just going to tap it in. Reason why I picked this brush is because I wanted a more airbrushed contour, easily blending. And I'm going to get more, and I'm going to do this. Not too much. So for reference, the contour color that I'm using, it's called Shadow Play. And I'm going to do a little bit on my nose, just a little bit. Turn the brush. Okay, and I know I don't need this because I already have a lot of glitter going on my lids, but I had to pull out my Sugar Glow kit from Anastasia. I know, I pulled out all my high-end makeup products. And I'm going to pick Marshmallow here, this one. And I'm just going to dust it a little bit on my, whatever this is called. And this. Can you guys see it? Okay, and then for blush, I pulled out Melba by MAC. So I'm going to use that one. I used to use this one a lot and I stopped. Why? I don't know. There's a reason, I just want to say this. There's a reason why I put my highlight underneath my blush. It's because I wanted it to kind of hide behind it because I know it's going to be boom in your face, you know? I don't know. That's just like a little tip or a little tip trick thingy that I do sometimes. Okay, and then for lips, I decided to go in with this gloss by Maybelline. It's called Lifter Gloss. It's a color petal. Look how beautiful it is. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like this look. I love it. Lily put this little clip on me earlier before I started. She's like, here you go, mommy. Thought it was cute. Now I'm going to bring my hair down, fluff it up. Okay, everybody, and this concludes my makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed doing your makeup with me or joining me and, relaxing while you are with me doing my makeup. I really love the way this look turned out. You could always change the lip or take off the lashes, whatever it is that you guys prefer, but this works for me for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Have a great day and remember to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And this is how it looks with my glasses on. It's popping.